Hi again. Okay, now we have a new video about uh, division. After that, we're gonna review multiplication and division. Multiplication and division are very, very important. So pay attention, be ready, and let's do it. I will start with the question for the seventh one, two, three, four, five, six. For the sixth river, sixth river, longest river in the world is what? Wang He. Wang He. Okay. Wang He. And that is in China. Wang He means the Yellow River. Yellow River in China. Okay, this is the sixth river. Now, let's go back to multiplication. In order to in order to check the multiplication, okay, uh, tables, okay, we start with all of these numbers. 1 times 11 is 11, 2 times 11, 22, and go through them. 2.4 times 14 equal 28. 1 times 15 is 15. I'm just giving you examples of the tables content. Okay, 2 times 19, 38. Okay, 9 times 1, 1. 10 times 1, 10. 5 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. And so on. Now, 5 times 1, 5. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 1 is 8. And then you go through them, and then you will have a very good idea about multiplication and division. What is 6 times 10? 60. What is 7 times 10? 70. What is 7 times 9 is 63. Okay? Now, the book says 13 times 0 is 0. 13 times 2, 26. 15 times 4, 60. 15 times 5, 75. These are very, very good tables to memorize multiplication schedule, multiplication numbers. Okay? You must go through them to be able to multiply or memorize a lot of multiplication numbers. Okay, now let's go to division. I am going to start division by saying, okay, division is when we take an amount. Let's say we have two books. I'm going to give you a very simple, basic example. We have two books. Zoom into math. This is my book and another book. Okay, we have two books. Okay, we have two books. How many book one student have? If we want to give these two books to one student, okay, we say these two books for you. So we are dividing these two books to one student. So how many books this student will have? Okay, this student will have two books. If we give these two books to one person, that person will have these two books, right? So we are dividing two books to one individual, right? Okay, how about if we have two students and we give those two books to those students? How many book each of these students will have? So first book, one person will have, and this second book, the other student will have. So each student will have one book. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so each one of them will have one book. Okay, and that is division. If we have 2 apples and we want to give it to your sister and your brother, or to your mom and dad, okay, your mom will have 1 apple and your dad will have 1 apple, right? So we have 2 apples going to 2 people. So 2 over 2 becomes 1. 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that is division. That is division. Okay. How about if we have $5, we give it to 5 people? How many each person will have? So $1 goes to $1 to this person. Next dollar is to this person. This dollar will go to the third person. $4 will go to the fourth person, and the $5 will go to the fifth person. So each person will have $1, right? Okay. How about if we have six oranges? 6 oranges, and we have only 2 people to give those two, these 6 oranges to those 2 people. So we have 6 oranges, and we have 2 people. So how many oranges each of those person will take? So we have 6, and we have 2. 6, this is 5, and then 6, and we're gonna give them to 2 people. So each of these 2 will have 3, because these 3 will go to this guy, and these 3 will go to this guy, right? Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, now that is the division. So division is when we take an amount and split it to one or more parts. Okay, and that's division. Next video will